What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a flash drive. But this is not just any flash drive. This flash drive actually connects to your cell phone. I am just going to go ahead and open this because I just want to open it now. But long story short, I was a Apple fan. I always had Apple. This is my first year actually venturing off away from Apple, and I got to say that I am happy. Now there is a few pros and cons for me. Now, if you're not into content creation, or if you're not into video uploads and stuff like that, then this may not be a big issue for you. But guess what? I still have my MacBook Pro. I have a Google Pixel 7. I can't AirDrop. That's the only thing I miss from Apple, you guys, is the AirDrop. Alright, it says flash drive for iOS devices. But we are going to see if we can use for Android right here, type C. To upload a video on Google Drive takes forever. I purchased gold because I just want to feel rich while I'm reviewing this. But they do have this in black and they have it in pink. This is a 4-in-1, so you have your USB type C right there, your regular USB for us old school heads. USB micro for the iOS fans is right here. I just want to go ahead and test this out right now. Alright, you guys, so we are at the finish line with this hard drive right here, and I want to say that this is probably one of the most important things that I have on this channel for me. Alright, so this is a personal thing. Just for the simple fact on, y'all know I do content creation and I do many videos, long videos, and my issue is I have an Android, right? And I used to be in the Apple ecosystem, so I got rid of my iPhone. I was planning on getting an iPad, but I am not sure if I want an iPad yet. So I got rid of my iPhone. Long story short, I have a MacBook. So y'all know when it comes to iPhone, MacBook, or whatever, you have AirDrop. AirDrop don't take long at all. That's the only thing I actually miss about Apple. Nothing else. Just AirDrop. Now, I wish Android has some type of drop system, but guess what? I still have a MacBook. So MacBook, Android, it's two different worlds, right? Anyway, so me using Google Drive has been a nightmare for me, just for the simple fact on when I upload like a 10-minute video, it takes forever. I have this hard drive right here, connects straight to your phone, and you should not have no problems. The only thing with this one is they only have the app available on the iOS platform. You can download a different app, you guys. So the app that I downloaded is called Files to SD Card. Files to SD Card. Now, the only thing with this is you get mini ads like you see here. It's always ads that pop up. That don't bother me. It might bother you, but it don't bother me. Now, all that to the side, they do have different apps to transfer files from your phone to your SD or your hard drive. Alright, you guys, so I have the screen record on. I just want to show y'all real quick on how long does it take to, put a file to your drive. Now, I'm already on here, and I'll show y'all the rest later when I go back. Now, I just pulled up a 5.4 gigabyte file. Now, you'll see this SD card right there. You'll see it convert right there on the top. Just watch. Now it sees that I inserted a flash drive, or I called this a hard drive. Sorry. Flash drive. All right, you guys, and it just finished. So, few minutes, and there we go. We have 2.8 gigabytes. I do not have to wait to be on the Wi-Fi. I don't have to wait to upload on Google Drive and see whenever it will finally upload on the drive. I can just take this off like so, plug it in my computer, and the files are there. Drag and drop, done. So that's why I haven't even been posting that much, because I have so many videos backlogged, you guys. So many videos. And now I'm about to batch dump on y'all like y'all have never seen. So I have a lot of videos coming now. This is one of the reasons why I have been uploading slowly, is because I've been trying to figure out a way to beef up my what do you call it, productivity. I've been trying to find a way to beef up the productivity, and yeah, so that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment sections. Link will be in the description. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.